Hello students, in today's video we are going to see exercise 5.5 question number 8. Assume that the water issuing from the end of a horizontal pipe 7.5 meter above the ground describes a parabolic path. The vertex of the parabolic path is at the end of the pipe. At a position 2.5 meter below the line of the pipe, the flow of water has curved outward 3 meter beyond the vertical line through the end of the pipe. How far beyond this vertical line will the water strike the ground? So here, assuming that the water issuing from the end of a horizontal pipe. So this is the horizontal pipe. This is the end of the horizontal pipe. And this horizontal pipe is 7.5 meter above the ground. So if you take this as a ground, so this distance from the end of the horizontal pipe to the ground is given as 7.5 meters. The vertex of the parabolic path is at the end of the pipe. So this is the end of the pipe. We'll take this as the vertex. At a position 2.5 meter below the line, this distance VM, this is, suppose you take this M, VM is 2.5 meters. Flow of water has curved outward 3 meter beyond the vertical line. So this is the vertical line. This distance is 3 meters. So the flow of water has curved 3 meter beyond the vertical line. Then how far beyond this vertical line will the water strike the ground? So when the water strike the ground, what is this distance? That's what is asked. Okay, this is given 3 meter, this is 2.5. What is this? So let us assume that now you can see a parabolic curve here. So it's only one part, there is a half of the curve. So the other half is imaginary. We imagine that it is this side, it is there, this side. Let us draw this diagram now. This is the ground, and so let us take this as this is the vertex, end of the parabolic curve, and this is M. VM is 2.5 meters, and suppose you name this as A. VA, the length VA is 7.5 meters. So it is given VA is 7.5 meters from the end of the pipe. V is the end of the pipe. From the end of the pipe to the ground is 7.5 meters. From the end of the pipe to this point M is equal to 2.5. So VM is 2.5 meters. And this distance is also given. What is this distance given? 3 meters. So that is, you take it as P. MP is equal to 3 meters. So the question is, what is the distance AQ? So the question is, what is AQ? This is what is asked. Now in this curve, this is a parabolic curve and it is open downwards. So if it is open downward, then the equation is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now we have taken the point P here. You know the x and y coordinate of the point P. So this is the x coordinate. P, MP is the x, M to P. This is the x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate? 3. The x coordinate is 3, M to P. This is the x coordinate. Y coordinate is, this is the y coordinate. So if I take a drawing like it, so the x coordinate is from here to here, that is MP. So MP is 3. The y coordinate is VM is minus 2.5. We are taking it as minus 2.5 because the reason is this is in the point P is in the 4th quadrant. We take this as the x-axis and this is here y-axis. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, this is the third, and this is the 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant, y is negative, x is positive, y is negative. So this point P is 3, minus 2.5. What about the point Q? The x coordinate we don't know. The x coordinate is somewhere here. So the x coordinate we don't know. So we take it as x1. Y coordinate is VA. The y coordinate of this point is VA. This is the x coordinate. So x coordinate is equal to AQ and the y coordinate is VA. We know the distance VA is equal to 7.5. So it is minus 7.5, just because it is why it is minus 7.5, because the point is in the fourth quadrant. So we have x square is minus 4ay. Now we have to find this a. This is the equation. We need this 4a. So to find this 4a, we use this point, the given point. So let us substitute x is 3 and y is minus 2.5. So you get now 9 is equal to minus 4a into minus 2.5. Okay. So 4a is 9 by 2.5. So a is 9 by 2.5 into 4. 2.5 into 4 is 10. So a is 9 by 10. So equation of this parabola is x square is minus 4, 9 by 10 into y. X square is minus 4ay. So now we have to find the x coordinate. This distance means it is the x coordinate. We have to find AQ. AQ is nothing but the x coordinate of this point Q. So put x is equal to x1 and y is equal to minus 7.5. So this equation will now change to x square is x1 square is minus 4 into 9 minus 36 by 10. Y1 is minus 7.5. That is equal to, so we can write this as 36 into 75 by 10 into 10, x1 square. So x1 is equal to plus or minus root of 36 into 75 by 100. 36 root is 6. 75 is 25 into 3, that is 5 root 3. The root of 100 is 10. So you get plus or minus 3 root 3. Take only the positive because it is a distance. So x1 is positive. Therefore the water touches the ground 3 root 3 meters away from the edge of the pipe. So this distance is 3 root 3 meters. So this distance is 3 root 3 meters. Thank you.